get into tech without the pressure of, oh, everyone is getting into tech?
I started with Java, and if you know Java, you know it's not really the nicest programming language out there, especially for a beginner. And if you have like a laptop that lags, you can fall behind like with your projects. Yeah.
Automatic 90% for my next project. That would be nice.
An automatic?
Automatic. Straight from Samsung. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Tech with GenZ. My name is Caleb.
And I'm Taffy.
And I'm Brendon.
And today we are basically going to be speaking about Christmas as tech students and everything about the spirit of Christmas.
So this is a Christmas special.
Yeah.
So make sure you sit down with your family, grab some popcorn, and get ready to watch this lovely podcast of Let's Talk Tech with GenZ.
GenZ, of course.
Yes, exactly.
So basically we are in December and, you know, we are looking forward to the new year that is approaching.
Exactly.
Is there anything you guys would like as tech students, like gifts tech students would actually like things you really want?
I actually have a list, like a whole list, but I'm going to let Caleb go first.
I'm going to start with automatic 90% for my next project. That would be nice.
An automatic?
Automatic. Straight from Samsung.
Okay. You were straight with it.
Oh, you straight with it. Hey, probably Santa's watching this and yeah,
and you can get your gifts.
Go on.
That's it.
After Brendon for sure.
Wait, what? After Brendon what?
Yeah, so you have to let us know what gifts you would like.
Oh, me personally, the gifts I would like a monitor. I would like a PC. I would like an iPad. There's a lot that I would like. A MacBook. As a tech student, what else would I like? Yeah, I think that's it, you know. I think that's it. I'm wanting toward huge amounts of space, something that's very fast. Yeah, that's what I want as a tech student because my laptop is getting full now, so that's something I want for the new year.
Yeah. I feel like you stole almost like all my ideas because that is something I've been meaning to want. Like, I want a new monitor. I want monitors.
Okay.
I want a PC.
But are you one of those that want those multiple screens?
No, you know that nice special, it has LED lights. Yes. I want an ergonomic. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Ergonomic chair.
Okay.
As well as an iPad, of course. Like, I am dying for an iPad. An iPad,
Oh yeah, an iPad for sure.
Obviously, like a laptop stand.
Okay.
You know, all these techie stuff. Like, so if you're my mom and you're watching, I think now you know what I want.
Okay, so like let's say those parents are watching, right? And they're gonna gift their children, like with laptops that are good for coding. What laptops would you recommend?
It's going to be a tough one for me to answer because I don't think I have much experience in terms of like using a variety of laptops. But something you should not get, I can tell you something you should not get. Don't get something that is like low on RAM. Don't get something that's below 4 gig of RAM.
Exactly.
And also you need a laptop that has so much storage on it that because the softwares that we use here as tech students are very what's that word for it? Demanding of like you know, it needs you to actually have a good laptop for you to be able to download those softwares and things that we'll need. So have a really, really, really good laptop that has good RAM, good storage space.
And a good processor as well.
And good processor.
Because I noticed, like, remember when you do the NPM1 devs in that terminal, like, if your laptop is slow, it'll take time. But if it's fast, literally in seconds, it'll download all your modules you need. Yeah, it's faster to process than Ish.
And if you have like a laptop that lags, you can fall behind. Like with your projects. Because there's this one thing that we had to download early in the year. And because I had a really, really bad laptop, I had to delay all the things that I had to do just because of that. So yeah, you should really get a good laptop. I don't think I should name drop because I don't really know like that.
It's your preferences, but I just told you what to look out for mainly. Because then me personally, before then I was like, what's the point of this laptop being expensive? Like, what does it have to offer? Isn't a laptop just a laptop? But now as I got into developing and more about I understood that you need a very powerful laptop that's fast. Because then I literally get frustrated. Like, why is this taking time? I end up using the computer because it's much faster.
I absolutely agree with you. What things do you guys feel like you would be applying to better your skills just to be ready for next year? Because next year, eventually, we're going to finish our course. We're going to get out in the real world and eventually become real software developers. So, like, what things would you guys be doing right now in December so that you can prepare yourselves?
Honestly, for me, it's resting. Because next year is going to be hectic. I won't get time to do so. So it's just resting and just, that's for me. I'm just trying to rest and just ease my mind. Because this year it has just been working over and over. So next year is about to be even more hectic, especially for us who are about to finish getting to the real world now. Real responsibilities. So you guys
are just going to be having like vacations and stuff. You're not gonna...
Big time. Of course, they say we have projects in this December though. But we gotta relax.
That's something I actually wanted to ask you guys about because, that's what I did last year.
Okay.
The whole December, I was relaxing, having my vacation time and, just having the time of my life. And then when January came, I forgot how to code like certain things. So I feel like, especially if you're a developer, maybe like once or twice.
Yes.
Here and there, just do a little something because it's actually quite easy to forget.
Yeah.
It's very, very easy to forget. So unlike you guys, I will be busy. I will be very, very busy and, just keeping myself busy with some projects, real world, situations and stuff that I could like be working on. And by next year, I already have like a huge portfolio and, better my chances of, getting hired into being a good software developer. So that's what I feel like I have in plan.
On the talks of being a good software developer, what do you think it takes to be a good software developer? Let's start with you, Caleb. Let's hear your answer, okay?
I feel like it takes a lot of heart and it's not something that like you can do if you don't have a passion for it.
Exactly.
Because code is like redundant, so it doesn't change until you change.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I feel like if you don't have a heart, bro, you're gonna fall behind and you're gonna fall out of love.
Exactly. That's why you gotta love what you do.
That is absolutely true.
Taffy?
I feel like to be a really good developer, or the developer that I aspire to be, is to firstly learn how to be able to think critically.
Yes.
Like critical thinking is very, very important, as well as problem solving and being able to work under pressure.
Okay.
Because our industry requires like teamwork, we'll be working with people. And if you're a person that does not like communicating and working with others, you're going to have a tough time and you might not do as well as someone who probably has better communication skills, and they would probably have a higher chance of getting hired than you who does not know how to communicate with people. So yeah, it's all about learning how to problem solve, critical thinking, and being adaptable also.
Yes. For me personally, it's two things. Patience and problem solving. Those are going to stand out more for me because this past year, the project we had, like, I had to be patient when it wouldn't work at all, when it wouldn't come out the way I wanted to come out. I'll just take a step back, be patient, and continue doing it. Otherwise, if I wasn't patient, I would have been like, no, let me look for cybersecurity or something else. But it needs patience, and you gotta master it. Patience, you will be sorted. Once you know, okay, now it'll take time to debug this, because then you can literally take hours on your code looking at what's the error when you literally just missed a comma. So you need that kind of patience. Exactly. You'll be to tell you where the line, where the error is. You go at the line and then you see nothing is there.
Yeah.
So it takes a lot of patience and a lot of problem solving skills because you have to understand what's wrong. So I'll say those are the two things that I would personally, anyone needs to be a good developer.
Heavy on patience, because in the beginning of my tech journey, I did not want to proceed. I did not want to continue. I hated every minute of it. I started with Java, and if you know Java, you know it's not really the nicest programming language out there, especially for a beginner. So I hated every single moment of it. And yeah, I'm so glad I gave it a chance because I almost dropped out within 6 months of doing it. So because I am the person that I am, I don't like starting something and not finishing it.
Exactly.
I just told myself, I'm just going to finish what I started. And as I went along with it, I'm like, okay, this really isn't that bad.
Yeah, it isn't that bad.
It really isn't that bad. And now I'm here, I developed a passion for it. And I feel like, yeah, it's really God's calling. It's really, really God's calling because, I did not see myself in the situation that I am in right now.
It's not something can do because there's that phase where you'll be tested if this is really for you, because some usually live through that phase. But you, Caleb, have you ever felt like giving up though?
Yeah, imposter syndrome.
Have you ever had the feeling like, oh, is it really software for me, or nah, I should leave and maybe go to data science or what's this, or cybersecurity,
or even not tech,
Yeah. Let me do something outside of tech.
Okay, the type of person I am, I don't like losing, so I'm not gonna let like code kind of
take over
me to the ground.
Okay, yeah.
So I've had times I was like, yo, this is crazy. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. And the worst thing about your code is that if you don't have patience, it might never be fixed because it's like you're the only person who understands you.
Yeah,
it will stay
exactly.
there.
Yeah, it will literally wait for you to like figure me out, But I kept pushing and here we are now. Almost done.
Yeah,
we have come a long.
We've come far. Because I've personally reached at a level like where I can see code and I'm able to tell what it does without having to recode. I can just tell, okay, this is this, this is this. So we've really come a long way.
First day I met both of you guys, like I didn't know code. Like, all I knew was like 5% of Python. And it's like now,
you know a lot.
Yeah, like I could teach people as well.
I love that for you.
Yeah.
And I really feel like if you want to take this path of doing something technical, like being in the IT industry, be it software development, cybersecurity, data science, whatever it may be, you should not don't put so much pressure on yourself.
Exactly.
Because it will be overwhelming in the beginning because some things are really confusing. Like what are binary numbers? What are these ones and zeros? What are these red lines? What are we doing with Visual Studio?
Exactly.
It's very, very, very confusing and overwhelming, but you will definitely get there. 100%. Don't give up. Don't give up at all. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. Like literally get into tech without the pressure of, everyone is getting into tech.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you go based off of that, a lot of people are getting into tech. Let me try as well. Like those people that are going to tech really love what they're doing and they're ready for whatever will come. It's like me, when I got into tech, I was ready for all the struggles and problems that will come. And here I am, being strong through those struggles that I go through as a developer, like the errors not working, everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much for tuning in this week's episode. We hope you have a really, really Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you next year. And thanks for watching.
Hope you enjoyed the podcast for this year. Can't wait for 2026.
2026, here we go.
Yes, see you then.